Maxim 2. Two men took useless trouble and strove without any profit. When one of them accumulated property without enjoying it, the other learnt without practicing what he had learned. However, much science thou mayest acquire, thou art ignorant when there is no practice in thee. Neither deeply learned nor a scholar will be. A quadruped loaded with some books. What information or knowledge does the silly beast possess, whether it is carrying a load of wood or books? And see, that's what it is too. Not only do you have to use your physical means, but at least do ritual with the information that you use.